Hello everyone, welcome to a class of Python for machine learning. So if you're planning to learn machine learning with the use of Python, then you are in the right place because in this class we will cover everything to get you started. Let's take a look what you learned from this class. An introduction to Python for machine learning, understanding machine learning while use Python for machine learning, getting started, basics of Python and interface of the Jupyter Notebook, NumPy and its inbuilt function part 1, NumPy and its inbuilt function part 2, learning data frames and data series in Pandas, reading the .csv files using different parameters in Pandas part 1, reading the .csv file using different parameters in Pandas part 2. After completing this class, you will be able to understand the importance of machine learning, know about Jupyter Notebook and its usage, learn basics of Python, import NumPy library and many inbuilt functions, create arrays from normal data, create data frames and data series, different ways to read the .csv file using the pandas library, and learn different methods to access to objects inside the data frame. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you'll have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project and you can do practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you have any question or if you have any doubts, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So now let's start learning Python for machine learning together.